Hello everybody, this is your R.Devi ma'am. Today we are going to discuss on sentence pattern. What is a sentence? Of course, a sentence is a group of words which gives some complete meaning, right? What about sentence pattern? Okay, before patterning a sentence, you should know the parts of a sentence. What are the main parts of a sentence? We'll see one by one. First main part is subject. As you know, subject refers to person or things. Number two, verb. Verb means that is action words. Okay. Number three, object. Object. What is an object? A person or thing receives an action is called object. In object, we have two types. They are indirect object, direct object. What is indirect object? For whom it represents. That is called indirect object. What about direct object? Things are all called direct object. Okay. The fourth important part of a sentence is agent. What is an agent? It gives some additional information to a given sentence. Okay. So what about the complement? The last part and the main part is the complement. What about the complement? It gives some essential information to a sentence. That is complement. I'll explain more elaborately with some examples. Shall we move on to the examples? Right. See this example. My father presented. Okay. My father is subject. My father presented. It is an action. It is verb. Okay. So now see here, ya car. Okay. Ya car refers an object. Okay. So my father presented a car. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Now see here, my father presented me a car. Here, how many objects are here? Two objects. Okay. Me is also an object. But what type of object? Whether it is an indirect object or direct object. I told you, for things you have to use direct object. For whom it represents. That is indirect object. Okay. For whom my father presented a car. For whom my father presented a car? Me. So it is called IO. Okay. Here a car is DO. So it is IO type. SV IO. Is it clear? I'm going to add one more word. Okay. My father presented me a car yesterday. Yesterday. Okay. It represents the timing. Okay. But it is an additional information. So it is called adjourned. It is called adjourned. For adjourned, it gives the answers for the questions when, where, how. Already we have discussed this example. My father presented me a car yesterday. SVIODUA. Okay. When we hide this word yesterday, still the complete meaning is here. So my father presented me a car. Okay. Now we will hide the objects me, a car and adjourned yesterday. See here, my father presented. Now itself, the sentence is a complete sentence, even without the object, without the adjourned. Okay. So without the objects, without the adjourned, a sentence may be a complete sentence. But without the complement, a sentence must not be a complete sentence. Okay. Without complement, a sentence must not be a complete sentence. Right? See. I am a teacher. Look at this. I am a teacher. I, subject, am, verb. You just hide this word a teacher. There is no meaning. There is no complete meaning. Okay. Only this word gives the complete meaning for this sentence. So it is called complement. That is why we are telling essential information. It gives essential information. Without complement, the sentence must not be completed. Clear? Okay, see here, he became an MLA. Subject, verb. What about this? This is not an object, because if we take this, if we hide this, he became incompleted sentence. So only with an MLA it becomes completed, right? So it is also complement part. Clear? Do you have any still doubts between object and complement? Object or adjunct, that are all additional information. Without object and adjunct, that may be a complete sentence, but without the complement, that should not be a complete sentence. Okay, right. We'll look at some more examples. So next we'll see about object complement. Most of the students confuse between IO-DO part and this complement, object complement part. See here, they selected him a leader. Students may answer as subject, verb, IO-DO, but it should not be. They selected him a leader. It answers the question as who they selected him a leader. Okay, so as who, as what, as how, these are the answers for the question what we asked in a particular sentence. Okay, this is complement, object complement. So they subject selected verb, object a leader. See, because I told you already, without the complement, the sentence may not complete. Okay, as who they selected a leader. Okay, so this is the main part and it only completes the sentence. So it is called a complement. Now look at this example. He painted the car blue. He subject, painted verb, that or object. Okay, you may think without this word it is completed, so blue may not be the complement part. You may think like that, but it is not like that. In this particular sentence, that blue is an important word, completed word for the sentence painted the car. In what color they painted the car? That is blue color in this particular sentence. Okay, so it is complement. Okay, is it clear? Still you have any confusion between IO, and complement, object complement? If so, send me a message. Thank you.